Hey friends, greeting from Test and Review. Today I got my hands on something special, the Xbot Chameleon AI powered action camera. Huge thanks to Xbot for sending this over, and this is my second review from Xbot. So this is not just any camera, it's packed with AI technology designed to take action shots to the next level. And trust me, it's no ordinary camera. It's powered by AI and follows you seamlessly, whether you are playing soccer, going for a run, or just capturing some action-packed shots of yourself. Let's see what it can do for us. So first of all, let's see what we get inside. Yeah. So we have here the essentials. Here's the user manual and the camera itself, and there is a remote, you can see, and also the USB-C charging cable. Yeah. So now the camera setup. The camera setup is pretty straightforward. Here is a switch. You have to press it down, and then this blue light, maybe you can see here. Yeah, there is blue light, is the battery sign. So they have 4 dots, so if all are blue means the battery fully charged. And yeah, so this place is for tripod. So if I set with the tripod, yeah, so like this. And here is the cradle. Very tight, this one. Now it's fully set it up. So the camera, the opposite side should be the screen, otherwise you will not be able to see what is going on in the camera. Well, now this little remote here adds to the convenience, just to pop up in the battery. So it's just connect via Bluetooth to your phone through the Xbot app, which is available for the iOS and Android as well. Once connected, you can toggle between video, photo, and even tilt the pan modes with just a click. It's easy and intuitive. To connect everything, simply download the XbotGo app, turn on the Chameleon, and the app should find it right away. Once it connected, you are ready to go. You can also connect the remote with just a quick tap, making this whole setup effortlessly. So now the fun part, you can choose a specific sports mode like soccer, basketball, or even ice hockey. Now let's put the Xbot Chameleon to the test. So I will go outside and I will set up with the tripod sent by the XbotGo, and I will set up all this camera, remote, and everything, and we see us outside of my studio how XbotGo is working. All right, I hope you enjoyed already the outside videos. Now let's discuss about the pros and cons of this camera. Yeah. First, what I love, the Chameleon is sturdy, reliable, and the AI tracking is a huge win. No more worrying about going out of frame. For a sports camera, the build quality really stands out. The app is easy to navigate and it makes setup a breeze. You don't need to pay any subscription or nothing. It's totally free. The video quality is excellent at 4K and the stabilization lives up to the hype. And as for area where there could be some improvement, I noticed the low light footage could be sharper, but overall it's still superb. The battery life held up to well, that can last over 8 hours. That's more than enough for a full day of shooting. And if you are like me and don't want to miss a second the camera shooting, so I would really recommend to you to buy this one. Yeah, but there are a couple of minor drawbacks. It's a bit bulky, but I would say it's not that much. It's because of the battery weight. You don't need to think about the charge of this camera, you know. And the price is not that much cheap, I would say, but you will get a special discount if you buy this camera. The link I will share in the description below, and I will give you a coupon code, so then you will get more discount. My final thought, who's the Xbot Chameleon for? If you are into sports, outdoor adventure, or just want a compact, powerful action camera with smart tracking, this is definitely worth considering. Xbot has done a fantastic job this AI technology to make action filming easier and more fun. So thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the product link in the description for exclusive Black Friday deal. From November 21st to December 2nd, you can get $20 off with this XbotGo Chameleon. Plus, additionally, $10 off with my exclusive code. So $30 you will get discount. Overall, within this date, you will get really a great discount, and you have a great gift for with this Xbot Chameleon. So I hope you will not gonna miss this one. So check it out and go to the comment I pinned over there and book your Xbot Chameleon, your AI cameraman. So I hope you already enjoyed this video, and we see us with the next product, next video. Have fun. Bye bye.